Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here are the step-by-step instructions for removing your information from rainstreet.org. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Go to the rainstreet.org website. To opt out, search for your profile by entering your first and last name, city, and state, then click Search. Find your profile in the results, and click View More beside it. If only your profile appears, go to Step 3. Find and click the Information Control link below the photo in the record. To remove your profile, enter your name and email, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Send. You'll see an on-screen confirmation of your opt-out request. rainstreet.org will send a verification link to your email. View email from rainstreet.org in your inbox and click the link provided. A confirmation will appear and your profile will be removed from their website. Congratulations on opting out of rainstreet.org. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.